few options, choose the one that best fits your style. Option 1, concise and direct. Hey Forex traders, welcome back to Forex Scope. Today, we're diving deep into the AUDNZD on the 15-minute and 1-minute charts. If you're looking for actionable insights and future price direction, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future analyses. Let's get started. Option 2, slightly more enthusiastic. What's up, everyone? It's your host from Forex Scope, and I'm excited to bring you another detailed Forex analysis. Today, we're focusing on the AUDNZD, breaking it down on both the 15-minute and 1-minute timeframes to uncover those crucial buy-sell signals and predict future price movements. Make sure you're subscribed to Forex Scope to stay ahead of the market. Let's jump right in. Option 3, friendly and engaging. Hello and welcome back to the Forex Scope community. I hope you're all having a profitable trading week. Today, we're going to explore the AUDNZD pair, taking a close look at the 15-minute and 1-minute charts to identify potential trading opportunities and understand where the price might be heading. If you value clear analysis and timely signals, consider subscribing to Forex Scope. It's free and helps us bring you more content like this. Now, let's get into the charts. Option 4, focus on value. Greetings Forex Scope viewers. Ready to get a clear picture of the AUDNZD? In this video, we're using the 15-minute and 1-minute timeframes to bring you precise analysis, offering buy or sell signals and a glimpse into future price trends. If you want to elevate your trading game, smash that subscribe button to join the Forex Scope family. Let's uncover the opportunities within the AUDNZD. The resistance zone is identified by a cluster of bearish price action between November 7, 2025, 7 hours and 30 minutes, UTC, and November 7, 2025, 8 hours, UTC. During this period, the price struggled to break above the 1.15656 level, indicated by multiple candles showing significant upper wicks and failing to sustain higher prices. Specifically, the candle at 7 hours and 30 minutes, UTC, reached a high of 1.15652 and closed at 1.15607, while the subsequent candle at 7 hours and 45 minutes, UTC, briefly touched 1.15656 before closing lower at 1.15644. The candle at 8 hours, UTC, also failed to sustain momentum, reaching a high of 1.15659 but closing at 1.15588. This repeated rejection of higher prices, with the upper boundary of this zone forming a clear ceiling, establishes it as a strong resistance. The price action suggests that sellers are actively defending this area, pushing the price back down. The significant upper wicks on these candles are a clear visual cue of selling pressure at these elevated levels. The considerable tick volume observed during these candles further reinforces the idea of active trading and potential reversal from this zone. The support zone is identified by a period of consolidation and potential accumulation between November 6, 2025, 16 hours, UTC, and November 6, 2025, 16 hours and 30 minutes, UTC. During this interval, the price found buying interest around the 1.14881 to 1.14930 range, preventing further significant downside movement. The candle at 16 hours, UTC, opened at 1.14883 and closed at 1.14911, with a low of 1.14883, indicating that this level acted as a floor. The subsequent candle at 16 hours and 15 minutes, UTC, reached a low of 1.14854 but recovered to close at 1.14890, showing resilience. The candle at 16 hours and 30 minutes, UTC, also tested lower levels, touching 1.14881, but again, the price was pushed back up, closing at 1.14913. The repeated testing of this lower bound and the subsequent upward recovery suggest that buyers are stepping in at these prices. The presence of multiple candles interacting with this price range, with considerable lower wicks on some, points to a level where buying pressure is absorbing selling pressure, forming a potential support zone. The relatively consistent price action within this narrow band also suggests a potential period of sideways movement or accumulation before a directional move. The support zone between 1.15353 and 1.15308 is identified due to multiple price interactions and a notable period of consolidation. Observing the price action, we can see several candles testing the lower bound of this zone, specifically around the 1.15308 mark, which acted as a floor preventing further immediate decline. For instance, the candle closing at 1.15312 on November 9, 2025, 2214 and the subsequent candles show hesitation in bouncing off this level. Prior to this, the price tested this area multiple times, indicating significant buying interest emerging from around 1.15308. The period between 176-272-5960 and 176-272-6140 encapsulates a significant price dip and subsequent recovery, with the low price reaching 1.15301 and the high price reaching 1.15361 within this timeframe, highlighting the volatility and the strong reaction at the lower boundary of this support. This zone demonstrates the characteristics of a well-defined support area where buyers have historically stepped in to absorb selling pressure, leading to price reversals or consolidations. The repeated testing of this level without a decisive break below it reinforces its significance as a support. The resistance zone between 1.15549 and 1.15514 is identified based on clear price rejections and a period of sideways movement where the price struggled to break higher. Looking at the data, the candles around November 9, 2025, 2351 and November 9, 2025, 2352 show the price reaching up to 1.15533 but failing to sustain these levels, closing lower and indicating selling pressure. Specifically, the price attempted to push above 1.15533 multiple times within the period of 176-273-2200 to 176-273-2320, with the high reaching 1.15533 and the low reaching 1.15509, signifying a strong battle between buyers and sellers at this level. The upper Bollinger Band also shows a tendency to act as a ceiling in this vicinity, further confirming the resistance. This area exhibits characteristics of a supply zone where sellers become more aggressive, pushing the price back down and preventing a sustained rally. The multiple tests of this price range without a clear breakout suggest that this is a significant level of resistance that has historically capped upward price movement, creating a ceiling for the asset. The current price is 1.15546. Analyzing the 1-minute chart, we observe a recent resistance at 1.15549 to 1.15514, with the price being rejected around 1.15533. The Fibonacci levels indicate a potential pivot around 1.15497 to 1.15549. Given the preceding upward momentum and the approach to this resistance, a short-term pullback is likely. We anticipate the price to test downwards towards the support at 1.15308 to 1.15353.